Okay, today we're setting up a new project for each module of a PLC on our trainer. And first of all, Craig's going into RSLogix 5000, and then he's gonna click on File and hit New, and new controller pops up, and what we do is select the type, and that is on there already, and the revision, which is 16 on here, and set up a name for it, and that we have Future-Tek.
That's what you want to call it.
And we go to the chassis type, which is already set up on here. 7-slot chassis, and this is slot 0, and then we go press OK. And go to I/O configuration, new module, and we go to digital. Scroll down to module number, which would be which would be the 1756-IB16A. And its major firmware version is 3, and that would be our input, our DC input. The slot 16. And then go down to revision, would be 0.3, and then it is in slot number 1. Press OK.
Okay, now for each of the following modules, we'll follow the same procedure. We'll right click on I/O configuration, and we'll add our modules.
After we had put all the cards on there, we go to File, and then we select Save As, and then we go to Start for our trainer, and then we save, and then now that we have all that saved, we go to RSLinx, go to Communications, and Configure Drivers, and we want to make sure
we've hooked up our serial cable.
After we had hooked up the serial cable between the PC and the PLC, we want to make sure they're all configured, so we go to Configure, and then it auto-configure, and once that's done, we press OK. We had selected our PLC key to program. We go into RSLogix 5000, and then we select Communications. We go to Who Active, and we select our DF file, and then we go to Download. It's downloading right now. Wait for the download. Then we go down to the Ethernet card, and then we right click on that, and we scroll down to Properties, click on that, bring up port configuration, and then we'll be changing the IP address of it to 192.168.1-201, and then we'll change also the subnet mask, and that's 255.255.255.0, which are the original formats of these addresses. And then we press set. Okay. And then after we press set, then we press OK. Okay, once we set up the IP address and change the subnet on it to the original format, we power down the PLC and remove the serial cable and connect the ether cable, and then after it's powered down, then it power PLC back up again, and then we go to RSLinx, communications, then to configure drivers, select the Ethernet file, configure, and then we select a PC IP address, and then that's set up, and we're okay. And then we close that window, and then we go to RSWho, then we bring down the we got everything set up. Everything's set up to where we want it. All the modules are set up where we want it on the backplane.